Elle and welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for being here. Today I am doing a video that I have never done before. I don't know why, but I'll tell you maybe my inkling on why I've never done it before. But today we're talking about my empties, so the products that I've actually gone through. Will I repurchase them? Did I love them? Might be some of your favorites. So before we get started, hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. Share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. All right, so I know it's weird. Everybody does these empty videos, and I've never been one to go with what everyone else is doing. And B, I just, for some reason, I have a really hard time getting through products. If I don't like a product for the first week or so, I'll just give it away to one of my friends or something like that. I mean, that's why it's hard for me. So I've been trying my best to be a little bit more eco-friendly and economical to get through products. And even if I don't like it, oh, I don't think it's doing anything, that type of thing, it's giving me a reaction. Because if it's giving me a reaction, of course, it's going out the window, and not going to anybody else. But, products that I just am I don't know, whatever. So that is the huge basket that I have right now. So I hope that you're going to like this video. So let's start out, because there's a bunch here. First of all, I want to start with this cleanser. This cleanser is the Pixie Rose Cream Cleanser. I've had it for probably 8 months, probably too long. I love this cleanser. Now, it has a fragrance in it, so if you have sensitive skin, rosacea, acne, things like that, this is not for you. But I love this cleanser, okay? So I absolutely will be repurchasing this. This is it's this cream base, so it doesn't really lather up, but it feels really good as a second cleanse or your morning cleanse. I just think they really hit it out of the park with this, so I love this. And the smell is really, really beautiful and heavenly, and so I love it. So that's from Pixie. I definitely will be repurchasing that. I'm on now, this is going to be something that you guys already know. This is the Josie Moran Argan Milk. I'm on my 3rd bottle. So I should have saved the others because I went through them all, but this is my 3rd bottle. I absolutely will be repurchasing this. This is like a serum that I use usually after I have microdermabrasion, after I dermaflash, if I'm feeling my skin is really sensitive and just needs a hydrating routine. This is my go-to. I love this. I just love having it in my arsenal. And again, I bought all of this myself. All right. So now this is, I finally got through, this is my second, oh gosh, maybe 2nd or 3rd. I've been using this for years now. And again, I'm trying to use things up. So this is the Drunk Elephant Vitamin C Firma. Okay, I really do like this vitamin C. I just find that I'm not going to gravitate towards it, and I probably won't purchase it again. I just feel like it's a sensitizing sometimes for me, and I just love my other vitamin C's to death anyway. I feel they're more active, and I feel like they're more, I feel like the delivery systems are better on them. So, and I did a whole video on vitamin C, so if you guys want to know what I use, go over there and find that video, or I'll try to link it below. But yes, this is something that I did like. I do think it's effective, but when you've tried all the other vitamin C's that I use, I think this is probably one I will be repurchasing again. Oh, and you stayed at the end. I have a giveaway today. We're back doing giveaways, I'm in the weirdest, best mood ever. Okay, so now this is going to be from Leary. This is the Perfect Renew pads. I tried for several months. This is like my 2nd one. I have another one also that I'm going to try. These are vitamin C pads. They basically are a vitamin C step. So basically you're supposed to layer on their brightening toner, which I am almost out of. So maybe if you guys like these videos, I'll do another one. But the brightening toner, no. You're supposed to do these first, then the brightening toner, then the vitamin C, and then your moisturizer and stuff like that. It's their anti-pigmentation routine. I liked these. I thought they were beautiful. They didn't sting. This might be better for more surface hyperpigmentation. Mine is quite deep. And so these weren't as active as I would like for them to be, or they didn't provide enough results for me. Now, you know I love Lemieux. It's one of my favorite brands. It's the type of peels that I use in my skin studio. So I just don't know if this is something we should be spending our money on because of just the lack of, I guess for me, the lack of results I got. Not gonna stay here too long. I don't even know, it's probably my 80th bottle of the Tatcha Essence. It's gone. Next one is already prepped and primed and ready to rock and roll for tonight. I will always repurchase this over and over and over again. You can't ever have me stop. It's my favorite essence in the whole entire world. All right, I got through this. This is the Versed Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm. I like it. I like it a lot. I definitely, like literally I used it all the way up. I probably wondering, yeah, I might repurchase this. Yes, I think I liked it enough to repurchase it. Right now I'm using the the Good Molecules Beauty Balm or Cleansing Balm, which I really, really like. But this one you can just go to Target and pick it up. This is one of my favorite products from Versed, and so yes, I probably will go pick that up next time at Target with the Pixie Rose Cream Cleanser. All right, I'm gonna save Osmosis till the end. Okay, so this is the Glowbiotics Probiotic Skincare. This is the Probiotic Instant Resurfacing Pads. This was sent to me in PR, and I don't know, I love the brand. I love Glowbiotics. I think they're a fantastic brand. I just didn't feel like I was getting results from it. I feel like I get better results from my, like, honestly, my Ren AHA toner or my pharmacy toner, or, you know, something like that. What else is the other one I use? The Kombucha Used to the People AHA toner. I just feel like I get more out of those than I do with these pads. They're nowhere in comparison to the Dr. Dennis Gross Peel pads or the Exuviance ones. Those ones are far superior, but I appreciate the brand. I like what they're doing. If you want something very, very gentle and you like the brand, this might be something to try. But I just feel like it's also really overpriced for what it is. Sorry. All right, a last Tatcha thing. This is actually kind of, I keep this in my shower. This is the rice enzyme powders. This is basically like just done. Like I can't use this in here. It is so been in and out of steam. So yes, I use this up all the way until I couldn't use these anymore. But I will never also not be without this. But it's very similar, and just because I love Tatcha, but this is very similar to the Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder, and that powder actually has vitamin C in it, but it's been out of stock forever. So if you can get your hands on that one's like a perfect dupe for this guy, but I love this. I actually have the other two, the one that is in the purple and the one that is in the blue, which is sensitive and then whatever. So love this, great product. I will repurchase it. This is the Clinical Eye Serum Advanced. This is a vitamin C serum for the eyes. I like the brand. Again, Clinical is a very, very well-made skincare brand. They have a lot of great products. This one just didn't hit it for me, unfortunately. It turned yellow really quickly, or really dark orange really quickly for me. I even kept it in my beauty fridge. I just didn't see any great results. I really honestly enjoy the Fit Beauty, for the C eye cream that I talk about all the time. That's just the one that I prefer. So for me, wasn't a hit. Won't be repurchased. That came to me in PR as well. Won't be purchasing it on my own. All right, so let's talk Osmosis. I'm gonna go through it real quick. Here's my correct level 3 vitamin A, empty. My Catalyst AC11A, empty. And my Rescue, empty. I already have them all next to me in my upstairs bathroom. They're all ready to rock and roll. I actually switched from correct vitamin A level to Renew. So it's a little bit more up, one more level of vitamin A. And yes, you know how obsessed I am with Osmosis. These are my core 3 Osmosis serums I use every single day. So I will absolutely be repurchasing those, and I already have. All right, so now these guys, these are the Frequency Waters, okay? I love them. This one is and you can see just a tiny bit left in here. It's really hard to pump these out, so I probably will just dump it in my water in the morning. This is the Emotional Well-Being Elixir, and then this one is the Ageless Vitality Elixir. If you don't believe in this stuff, no problem. I do. This is, I believe water holds so much energy and can be changed due to the frequencies that you input into it. Do your research. It's actually very, very well researched, the way that the actual molecule of water changes when it's being introduced with different types of frequencies and words and thoughts, okay? I know, airy fairy, but you guys, my favorite one though, and I also have the hormone one in my fridge, but I just started it. That's, I don't want to take synthetic hormones, so I'm taking that water to help regulate my hormones. But my favorite one is the Ageless Vitality Elixir. I just feel like it really keeps my skin clear. It really keeps my skin hydrated. It's really kind of that in and out kind of thing, like you take everything in good and then it shows on the outside of the skin. The emotional well-being I actually have really loved. That is just to obviously regulate your emotions. I will always use these elixirs. They're quite pricey. Again, I did buy these on my own. They are quite pricey, but for me, I love them. They work. But you have to be on them for a long time. You can't think that these things are just going to work overnight, just like skincare, just like hyperpigmentation routines, things like that. So you have to take these waters for many months and ongoing for you to see the results. Now, I will say, Osmosis, this packaging is not my favorite. These things pop off all the time. They're all over the floor. I grab them by the cap. It's a whole host of mess. And so I really wish they would change the packaging on the cap, but who am I? And I just put up 5 pumps in my water in the morning, drink it down. All right, for my last 2 products is going to be the Skin Defense. This is my first package. This is obviously a environmental and hormone detox. It's obviously a skin supplement as well. But again, talking about I don't want to be on synthetic hormones, again, to help with I think I'm premenopausal, to be honest with you. And this is also a heavy metal detox pill too. All right. So I love these. Will not go another day without them. One's already on order. So. Okay, my last one. Now, I don't really talk about perfumes on here because I am obsessed with scents, but I know how toxic they can be, and so I'm just kind of like, I don't know where I stand on it, to be very honest with you. So if you guys know of any brands, like fragrance brands that are non-toxic, that actually really do like smell good, stay on, all that good stuff, let me know. But I've been trying these from Target. They're from a brand called Good Chemistry. My favorite one is Gardenia Palm, and it's just a little roller guy. It's completely out. I loved this one. I will absolutely be repurchasing this. Very affordable. It does come in different sizes than this. It just was out. It seems to be a popular thing. But I absolutely will be repurchasing this. I loved this. I thought this was fantastic. I'll get the big one. But if you guys have recommendations, because I really miss wearing perfumes. I mean, I used to wear, I think it's YSL Black Opal, or Black Opal, I think it is. Oh God, it's been a really long time. I also used to like Viktor and Rolf's Flower Bomb. Those were like my jams. But I don't know, you know, going all this like kind of cruelty free and really figuring out like, you know, I don't even burn candles in my house anymore, which is so sad. Non-toxic candles, y'all. Tell me recommendations in the box. I would love them. I use a lot of diffusers in my house with essential oils, and that is what I use now. All right. Woo! We got through it. Tell me if you guys liked these videos. If you guys want to know more about what I use and what I don't and what I hated, let me know. I'll do some more of these. It takes a while for me to put them all together. All right, so for the giveaway, I'm going to be doing 2 lucky winners. They're going to be grab bags, like I like to call them, from me, and there's going to be a kind of really great box of a bunch of stuff. And so all you have to do is just make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I would love if you could just comment in the comment box and just say anything you want. Hi, whatever you want to do. And then I will respond to the winner of this video, the 2 winners of this giveaway in this video, and I'll put the date in the description box. So I'm going to make you do a little bit of work. I'm going to have you go into the description box and look at the date because I don't know exactly when this video is going to go live. All right. And also, if you don't mind, if you want to, again, no pressure. I have a merch shop. I am super excited about it. I've designed everything. The logos are all hand drawn done by me. The heart that you will see is my actual hand signature. It's just for fun. Y'all asked for it, so I started it with Teespring, and so that link is in the description box there below. I would be more than happy if you check that out. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Please leave those recommendations down in the comments section, and I will see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.